Hey guys, watching Volgar's videos, and I'm going to show you guys how to fix the window button on a 93 Legacy. Little update. Here's one Christmas tree. There's two Christmas trees. This is actually the one we had in the house. I hand-picked it. It was a really good one. This one, I don't know whose it was. Could have been my grandparents'. Maybe. I'm not sure. Then all these other ones, me and my dad picked up just around town. So we sit on the curb, we'll pick them up, bring them home. And actually, I think those mostly the ones my dad took home. And these are the ones I took home. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. And my car's locked. There's a 5th one. And there's a lot out back. There's probably like 10 at least out back. Alright. I was at the wrecking yard yesterday. Oh yeah, there's one right there too. Yep, right there. I was at the wrecking yard yesterday getting a window switch for the Legacy, and I could only get the door halfway open, and it took forever to get to. I think it took like 40 minutes to get it off, and I was like tearing it apart, pulling this apart. I'm not going to tear this apart, obviously, because it's, you know, my mom's car. I kind of care about it. So yeah, this is all you got to do. Unscrew the screw here, screw right there, the screw here, the screw down here, right there, and I think there's a screw down here, and that's all there is. Oh, and you also take off the thing that goes around the door lock opener thing, and then, oh yeah, there's a screw in there too, around, yeah, right there, and then you unplug it. It's gonna be hard. I'll take it around. Oh, that's right. You have to like take a knife and stick it in there. Do I have a knife on me? Yes, I do. It's my lucky day, maybe. Okay. Do is like stand like right here. I bet this looks really goofy. And stick the knife and wedge the tabs. Alright, so very carefully I stuck the knife right between the tabs that go on here, pulled it out, so here's the old button. I'm going to put in the key and show you how it does not work. And it better not work, because I just got the other switch, and all these years it's been out. Wrong key. There it goes. Okay. Okay. Now the down works, but the up does not work. Why is this? Now, let's switch it out and see if there's a difference. There better be a difference. If there's no difference, I'm going to need some more help. Alright, here's the old button. It's very dirty and disgusting. I find this kind of funny because there's also corrosion. Corrosion on the one tab. Excuse me. Right there. There's corrosion on that tab right there. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. I'll open it up and see what's up, but it's just a switch, you know, it's not a big deal. But I plugged it in, and voila! We've got power! You can see down there, and I realized there's like little wipers right there to hold it in. So now we got down and up. Now what I am wondering is, why is it like resisting to go up? I don't know. Is it like that this one? A little bit. Maybe just because it's old. I mean, it is 93, but I think it kind of low miles for 93, 170,000. But yeah, now it just needs a cruise control solenoid. Let's see if this button works. That's right. It did before. Whenever we're on like a road trip or something, or whenever my mom's sitting in the passenger seat, my dad or I'd be driving, and constantly, hey, it's hot, roll the window down. It's cold, run the window up. Quit it. Yeah. So finally, after all these years, because we've had this car since about 2003 or 4. I don't know. It's been a while. But when we bought the car, the up, it would barely work. Like, it would just barely go up. But then eventually, as the years passed, I think like a year after we got it, it wouldn't go up at all on the passenger side. But all the others work. And I like how they're at an angle so you can get your elbow out. Yep. I wish it was like a 4Runner and there was a button for the the hatch window. That's the coolest thing about a 4Runner right there. You just hit that button right there and the window draws down like, I don't know, like a garage window or Suburban or something, I don't know. It's really cool. So now here comes the fun part of, speakers even in there? There. That's stupid, it's just barely too small. Oh well, it'll stay in there. So that's it. That's how you basically plug this in there, and then you put this back in, put the screws back in. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this to replacing something. I mean, it's using the radio. Yep. Alrighty then. And there you have it, all back together and ready for the open road. Awesome. On the white car, Elmer, he's got manual windows, so don't have to worry about that. I miss that black car. With the power locks and power windows, and power steering was alright too, but not a big deal. I wish I had a GL10 that had, you know, a turbo and everything. That'd be awesome.